It's a human sign when things go wrong, when the scent of it lingers and temptation's strong. Cold, cold heart, hardened by you. Some things looking better, baby.
Alright, let's open up the YL Style ABS spoiler kit. Inside the box you'll find the spoiler, some extra double-sided tape, a small hardware pack, and an adhesion promoter.
Oceans apart, day after day, and I slowly go insane. I hear your voice on the line, but it doesn't stop.
Now we're ready to start the install. First, take out the spoiler and the positioning stickers from the accessory pack. Place the spoiler on the trunk lid and center it to make sure it's lined up evenly on both sides. Once you're happy with the position, use the positioning stickers to mark the edges of the spoiler so you know exactly where it needs to sit. After the position is marked, remove the spoiler. Before installing it permanently, clean the mounting area on the trunk thoroughly. Then, apply the adhesion promoter to the areas where the spoiler will sit to help the tape bond better. Next, peel back a small section of the adhesive backing on the spoiler.
I took for granted all the times that I thought would last somehow.
Line the spoiler up with the positioning stickers you placed earlier.
The tears, but I can't get near you now. Oh, can't you see it, baby?
As you slowly remove the rest of the backing, press the spoiler down firmly along the trunk to secure it in place.
Whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. Oh, can't you see it, baby? You've got me going crazy.
Once it's installed, use some masking tape to hold the spoiler in place so it bonds tightly to the trunk surface. After it's had some time to set, remove the blue protective film. And that's it! The spoiler is fully installed.